The Weather Service has warned us to brace ourselves.
Pressure dropping, humidity rising over 80%, increasing wind.
Hurricane!
Power's out up here. Power's out in town. Big old windstorm last night. Your markers? We don't need markers, it's okay. We are gonna go to town, check out what the devastation looks like, get some gas for the generator, see what the field looks like, get a chainsaw. Well, we were gonna go to the gift fair, the holiday fair at the Jefferson County Fairgrounds, which we're still heading to, but we're gonna see if we can make it there. A bit more of a quest than we had before. Here's a tree across the road.
A tree falling down.
Road's closed because of down power lines, apparently. At least that's what the sign says. And I suppose with kids in here, we're gonna believe it and turn around. So, I think we're going back to Swansonville Road to cut through, maybe. Goodness. Yeah, a bunch of cars on the other side. They're all turning around as well. Can't mess with power lines, that's smart. So Highway 19 is also closed. So we're gonna have to go over to Highway 20. I'm gonna see, it looks like there's a fairly major power pole down over there. Well, we made it back to the main highway. But of course, there are no stoplights. Another closed road. At least because all these cars are coming this way, we know that it's open over here.
It sounds good, I just feel like it's still missing something. Do you think it needs more bass? Yeah, that's it.
How many closed roads have we found? 3? I think you're right, I think 3. Because we've had to take at least 3 detours. Oh, and then there's a line of traffic too. Seems like a security flaw. When the power goes off, it seems like all the mini storage is open. So, that's something to think about. Do you think there's going to be another closed road up here?
Yeah.
How many more closed roads do you think we'll hit?
2.
2? Pretty good bet. Can't argue with that. Access to Jacob Miller Road is closed, so there's one. And we have another signal out, because of course there's no power, so all the signals should be out. Town still has power, everything kind of seems normal in town, people are in line for coffee and all that. It's just the outlying areas, like Ludlow and Hadlock and, the rest of the county that doesn't have power. But town still seems fine. We made it here, how about that?
I'm gonna go somewhere else, Dad.
Okay.
No.